बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आप बच्चे पढ़ने जा रहे हैं चैप्टर नंबर 20 कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का। आज हमारा फर्स्ट लेक्चर है और बच्चे आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का इंट्रोडक्शन, इसका नोमेनक्लेचर, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। नाउ वी स्टार्ट फर्स्ट वन, that is introduction of carboxylic acid. So we simply define as we say the organic compound that contain carboxylic functional group like CO and OH. These organic compounds are called carboxylic acid. It contain carbonyl functional group as well as hydroxyl functional group. तो बच्चे इसमें दो तरह के कॉम्बिनेशन हैं, इसमें कार्बोनाइल फंक्शनल ग्रुप भी प्रेजेंट है और हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप भी प्रेजेंट है। सो इसे अगर आप यहां पर अटैच करते हो एलिफैटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स मीन आर, देन दे आर कॉल्ड एलिफैटिक कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। ठीक है, आर में बी ओपन चेन। और अगर आप यहां पर आर के बजाय अटैच करते हैं एरोमेटिक ग्रुप लाइक बेंजीन, then they are named as aromatic carboxylic acid. So they may be aliphatic as well as aromatic carboxylic acid, but दोनों की पहचान, they contain COOH group with their carbon chains. Now we discuss the nomenclature of carboxylic acid. Now we write first one, we discuss the common names. Common names were based on name of person, name of place, name of thing. To be discussed the direct examples like the term, the formula HCOOH, that is called formic acid. That is called formic acid because it was derived from the distillation of formica. First time derived by distillation of formica called red ant, तो नाम दिया गया formic acid. Similarly, we write different examples like CH3COOH, that is called acetic acid. That is called acetic acid. It was derived from the acetum. Derived from the acetum means vinegar. It was derived from the vinegar. So they are the common names. ये different example as well. और बच्चे सबसे important part, when we write carboxylic acid with different carbons, तो जब यहाँ पे याद रखना है बहुत important कि this functional group attached with the carbon, that carbon is called alpha carbon, then beta carbon, then gamma carbon and so on. तो carbon atom directly attached with functional group is called alpha carbon, and then adjacent carbon is beta and further move gamma and so on. तो बच्चे आपका शॉर्ट सा इंट्रोडक्शन था रिगार्डिंग कॉमन नेम्स ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट IUPAC नेम्स फॉर कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. IUPAC names for carboxylic acids. Now rule number 1 is you have to write oic acid in place of E of alkane. We write oic acid in place of E of alkanes. आपने alkanes का E replace करना है by oic acid. Rule number 2, that is start numbering. आप जब भी नंबरिंग करोगे, start numbering from carbon of COOH group. आप जब भी नंबरिंग करेंगे आपकी नंबरिंग स्टार्ट होगी फ्रॉम कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप. This carbon is always taken as first carbon. Then number 3, for 2 carboxylic group, use di before oic acid. Now we take some examples. If we write the example of the simplest carboxylic acid that contain one carbon, that is called from methane, that contain one carbon. आप मीथेन का E replace करोगे by oic acid, तो named as methanoic acid. If we write the example of like this one, CH3, CO and OH, that is called, there are two carbons named as ethane, which आप ethane का E replace करोगे by oic acid. So these are very common examples of carboxylic acid. I will write some more examples. If we take COOH, COOH, that's common name oxalic acid, and their IUPAC recommended name, there are two carbons named as ethane, और आपने कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड से पहले क्योंकि दो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है, यू हैव टू राइट द वर्ड डाई, नेम्ड एज इथेन डायोइक एसिड, इथेन डायोइक एसिड, and also write the position carbon 1 carbon 2, so named as 1 2 ethane dioic acid is the IUPAC name for oxalic acid. We have different examples for carboxylic acid. Now we take some more examples. We draw line structure as well. We take different examples for the carboxylic acid. चाहे इनका line structure की एग्जांपल भी देख लो एक. तो we write as, अगर इसके आप नेमिंग करते हैं, कार्बन 1, it is your choice, कार्बन 1, कार्बन 2, कार्बन 3, कार्बन 4, it is named as 4 for butane. You write butane dioic acid, and COOH present at first and fourth carbon, so named as 1,4-butane dioic acid. If we write the example for this one, we have to discuss kya in the hydrocarbon benzene chapter, that is called benzoic acid for the aromatic carboxylic acid. If we write different examples like अगर आप बेंजीन के साथ दो कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप प्लेस कर दो, like we take example COOH, here as well, so that is called 1 2 3 1 3 1 3 benzene dioic acid, benzene dioic acid. Physical properties of carboxylic acid. When we discuss the physical properties, that is very important. देखिए आपके पास कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में कार्बोनाइल ग्रुप भी प्रेजेंट है और OH भी प्रेजेंट है. Both these groups are polar in nature. इनकी polar nature की वजह से इनके melting point, boiling point, इनकी solubility that become very large as compared to respective alcohol. So we say due to polar nature of CO and OH group, CO and OH groups, it is highly polar molecule. It is highly polar molecule as oxygen is more electronegative. Highly polar molecule. It means number one, इसके बच्चे first property, their melting point, boiling point are higher than respective alcohols. Now, second point, for the physical properties, they are more soluble in water than alcohols or respective alcohols, क्योंकि इसमें हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग होगी. And number three, due to strong hydrogen bonding, they exist in liquid state as well as solid. If you have big carboxylic acid, they exist in liquid state. और जो आपके large carboxylic acid है, they are also exist in solid state as well. Structure of carboxylic acid. If we discuss carboxylic acid, तो बच्चे आपके ज़हन में होना चाहिए For carboxylic acid concerned, you got CO and OH groups that contain alkyl as well. So due to presence of double bond and three atom attached with central carbon, so this carbon is sp2 hybrid. sp2 hybrid and oxygen contain lone pair as well. तो एक तो ये आपका sp2 hybrid है with a bond angle of 120 degree. It has number one की पहला पॉइंट डिस्कस करते हैं. The carbon is sp2 hybrid. Carbon is sp2 hybrid with bond angle 120 degree. And second point, due to presence of lone pair on oxygen of hydroxyl group, this lone pair is conjugated with the pi bond present with the adjacent oxygen. So the lone pair of oxygen of OH group is conjugated with pi electrons and causes resonance. That is, look at that. This R C double bond O and OH. The lone pair present on oxygen is conjugated with the pi electron. This electron pair shifting here, this bond shifting to oxygen. So resonance is present, that is RCO minus and double bond OH with positive charge on oxygen. So due to presence of lone pair and pi electron, carboxylic acid also contain resonance structures. तो ये हमारा आज का इंट्रोडक्शन था रिगार्डिंग कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, नॉमेनक्लेचर, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। तो आज हम लेक्चर अपने यहाँ पर एंड करेंगे।